In this video, we'll show you how to download and review your account balances which have been included in your management accounts. So we'll start by going to the analytics section and then selecting the data options. The second menu option here is the download and review option. So we'll select that. Then you have the option of either downloading your latest import file data or selecting your management accounts, the current management accounts data to download. So we've basically separated the import function from the actual management accounts so that you don't update your management accounts when you import new account balance data. There's a step in between where you actually go and manually click an update button to overwrite your existing management accounts account balances with the account balances which have been imported. So in this case, we'll just go and select management accounts and then click the download button to download the data. So it's going to download it in a comma separated values CSV format in Excel. So I'm just going to go to the downloads and select that so that you can see what the account layout is, or the file layout. So it basically downloads all your balances for all the periods that are included in the management accounts interface. So the first column would have an account key, basically, or a profile key repeated in column A, and then you'll have your account numbers and with all the balances. It looks empty, but it's not. As you can see, all the balances that have been included will be listed here. Now you can go and save this file as this import file, make some changes, and then just re-import it to update multiple accounts at the same time.